Good morning, student. Now, in the previous video, we have discussed the four pattern to calculate the new ratio from question number 1 to 8. There are given only these four pattern. Some pattern again we will discuss in the same lesson after nearly 40 question. Now, new topic has come, sacrificing ratio. New ratio already we have discussed. Sacrificing ratio means in which proportionate the old partner has sacrificed for the new partner. So how you will calculate the sacrificing ratio? Now, sacrificing ratio equal old ratio minus new ratio. So from old ratio, if you will less the new ratio, that will come the sacrificing ratio. How you will calculate the new ratio already we have discussed. So we will see the question number 9. Now page number 3.147. A, B and C sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2:1. So old ratio A is to B is to C, that is given 3:2:1. Upon admission of D, they agreed to share as follows. So new ratio, that is given A is to B is to C is to D, and this ratio is given 4:2:2. So in the case of first, you will calculate the sacrificing ratio, that is the old ratio minus new ratio. Now A old ratio 3:5:16, so A ratio will be 3/6, and new ratio 4:8:10:12, so 4/12. LCM will become 12, 6 2 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6, minus 4, that is 2/12. And now B old ratio, that is 2/6, and new ratio also 4/12, that is 12. So this is the 6 2 ja 12, 2 2 ja 4, minus 4, that is 0/12. And C old ratio 1/6 minus 2/12, that become LCM 12. So 2 minus 2, that is 0/12. So you are seeing only A has sacrificed. New partner D ratio is 2/12, and D has received this proportion only from A. B and C has not sacrificed any ratio. Now in the same question, we will see the second case. Second case, it is saying new ratio 2:4:2:4. So see the second case. Second case, new ratio A is to B is to C is to D, that is given 2:4:2:4. Now old ratio 3:5:1:6, 3/6, 2/6, 1/6. New ratio 2 + 4 6, 2 8 4 12. So 2/12, 4/12, 2/12, 4/12. When you will calculate the sacrificing ratio, that is old ratio minus new ratio. So for A old ratio is 3/6 minus 2/12. LCM will come 12, that is 6 minus 2, 4/12. And B old ratio 2/6 minus 4/12, that LCM will come 12, that is 4 minus 4, 0/12. And now C old ratio 1/6 minus 2/12, LCM will come 12, so 2 minus 2, 0/12. So in second case also we are seeing that only A has make sacrifice 4/12 and new partner D has received this 4/12. If you will cancel this one 4/12, this will come 2 2 ja 4, 1/3, 2/6, or either you can say 1/3. So in this way you can calculate the new ratio. That is so simple. Now see one more question for calculating the new ratio. Question number 13 on the same page. Page number 3.147. A, B, C and D are in partnership, sharing profit and loss in the ratio 36, 24, 20, 20. So old ratio, that is A is to B is to C is to D. This old ratio is given 36 is to 24 is to 20 is to 20. 36 plus 24, that is 60, plus 20 80, plus 20 100. So 36/100, 24/100, 20/100, 20/100. E enjoys the partnership for 20% share. So new partner E ratio, that is given 20% or 20/100. A, B, C, D would in future share profit. So future profit sharing ratio between A is to B is to C is to D, that is given 3/10, 4/10, 2/10, 1/10. Now this is the fifth pattern. Now here future profit sharing ratio is given. So this is the pattern number 5. Old ratio, new partner ratio, and future ratio of old partners are given. So how we will calculate? First we will consider total profit equal 1. Then we will calculate rest of profit. So rest of profit equal 1 minus new partner ratio. Now we will calculate the new ratio, rest of profit into future ratio. So this is the 5th pattern. By this pattern we will calculate the new ratio. Like such a, between the question we will find the different pattern. We will try to search out each pattern question I solve on the board. But if you find something different pattern is any other place, other question, or which is not given in your book, you can ask. Now in this question, first we will consider total profit equal 1. So rest of profit, that will be 1 minus 20%. 20% means 1 by 5. If you say 1 by 5, that will be easy to calculate. If you will cancel, so 1 by 5. So rest of profit will come 4 by 5. Here also, if you want to reduce this one, they will be divisible by 4. So 4 9 are 36, 4 6 are 24, 4 5 are 20, 4 5 are 20. Now new ratio. So new ratio, when you will calculate, new ratio means rest of profit into future ratio. Now rest of profit we have calculated for A, that is rest of profit is 4 by 5, and future ratio of A 3 by 10, 4 by 5 into 3 by 10, that will come 12 by 50. And B 4 by 5 into 4 by 10, 16 by 50. C 4 by 5 into 2 by 10, 8 by 50. And D 4 by 5 into 1 by 10, 4 by 50. And E ratio is already given 20 by 100, but here all data are given in the 50. So we will calculate, cancel this one, 10 by 50. So new ratio has come A is to B is to C is to D is to E. that is the 12 is to 16 is to 8 is to 4 is to 10. Now it is possible to cancel by 2, that will come 6, 8, 4, 2, 5. Not possible to cancel by any number. So new ratio 6 is to 8 is to 4 is to 2 is to 5. Now already we have calculated the new ratio here. Old ratio is given here. So you can calculate the sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio means old ratio minus new ratio. A old ratio 9 plus 6, 15 plus 5, 20 plus 5, 25. So old ratio is 9 by 25. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 4, 18 plus 2, 20 plus 5, 25. So new ratio is 6 by 25. That has come 3 by 25. B old ratio 6 by 25 and new ratio 8 by 25. So here has come minus 2 by 25. So it is the gaining. B is here gaining. Now C old ratio 5 by 25 and new ratio 4 by 25. So this is the 1 by 25. And D old ratio 5 by 25, new ratio 2 by 25, that is 3 by 25. E is the ratio 5 by 25 and E will gain because E is the new partner. Always the sum of gain will be equal to sum of sacrifice. So sum of gain 5 plus 2 7, sum of gain 3 plus 1 4 plus 3 7. So always the sum of sacrifice will be equal to sum of gaining. Thank you.